We've introduced you to some great products this series, and one that got enormous interest is this, the Gabion walls from Whites. Gabion walls became trendy a few years back and offer you a number of clever solutions to problems. For a start, they're the perfect retaining wall fixture. You can easily position them to hold soil back and create tiers. They also make barrier features and the perfect base to outdoor tables and seats if you're going to be really clever. So the very first thing you do is just make up these little square, or in this case rectangle frames, and you've got a whole bunch of different pre-cut sizes that you can order. Putting them together is simple. You use these little spiral connectors that just wind around and hold each of the frame pieces together. There's nothing difficult about this at all. One thing to make sure you do is just to run a spirit level over, just to try and make sure your levels are pretty even. They're not bad. This ground's pretty level as it is. And after you've done that, all you have to do is fill them with rocks and they're ready to go. Now, you might have an abundance of rocks around you, or you might like the look of recycled rocks, bricks and rubble, which is also an interesting look. But if your position is in a prime place, then using washed river stone is always a great look. And you can buy these 25 kilo bags as well, all from your local Bunnings store as a project. The thing with this is it allows you to do it in one of two ways. One, you can do it as you can afford it. So each week, do a couple of these and just slowly roll it out, or just do it in one big hit. But the terrific thing is it's so easy to put these frames together. It's all pre-cut, it's all set up, ready to go, and all you have to do is put them into place and lay them out. It's easy. The second is the environmental benefits it brings. These make the most amazing protected homes for creatures you want in your garden, like skinks and geckos, and insects like wasps and hornets that eat your caterpillars. Now, how good's this? It looks so good, and normally you'd have to pay a fortune with a professional landscaper like Ruck Services, but not with this. No, you can save a big buck by doing it yourself.